is beautiful. Hey everybody, at the end of this video series, we're going to be giving away this Cobalt C-Vue 18. If you want to figure out how to do that and to get your submission in, check out the video in the link above. Also, at the end of this video, you'll be able to click on the entire playlist for contest submission and the entire series. Good luck everybody. So this is the Cobalt C-Vue 18. It comes in several other models like the 26, the 40, and the 45. Those are all just representative of their gallons. So this is 18 gallons. The others, you know. This is a really cool kit. I like it a lot. It's pretty customizable as far as fresh, salt, and different types of setups within those go. It doesn't come with a light, so you can choose whatever you want to do as far as a basic lighting setup or something more elaborate that you have a lot of control over. And that way you can gear it towards fresh or salt either way. It has integrated filtration in the back, kind of like a sump, but just built into the tank itself. Completely customizable as far as the filtration goes that you put into the back of it. It comes with filter socks, which you can use in salt and fresh. They work great in either. You can see on the box here, we've got crystal clear low iron glass. Wow. But yeah, as it says all over the box, aquarium and integrated filtration system, complete with tank filtration and pump in multiple languages. Wow. So again, you can go fresh, you can go salt, reef, plant, whatever you want to do with this. It's capable because it's customizable. Wow. This is what we are going to be busting into today. We will unbox it, get the stand out of its box and put it together. Some assembly required. So we're going to get all that going and let's just dive right in. So over the course of the next few videos, we're going to be setting up a Cobalt C-Vue 18. In this first video, we are just going to be unboxing it and putting the stand together out of a box. And we're going to see how that goes and if it's idiot proof. So let's get to unboxing. It's like Christmas. Unboxing is one of my favorite parts. Oh man. Alright. It is beautiful. It's beautiful. Now, these guys out of here. Alright. Look at that. Yes. Yes. Alright. Still want to leave it on the outside so that when I pull it out of the box, I make sure that I don't scratch up that crystal clear low lead glass. So back here, you can see the filtration. We've got the socks already in place, the pump hooked up and ready to go. Just got to run that power cord there. You got two chambers here as well next to your return chamber, so you can put whatever kind of filtration media you want down in there. There's room under the socks as well for even more filtration media if you want it, and then of course the secondary sock. So As you can see, looking pretty slick before I even take it out of the box. And there's the C-Vue out of the box. Nice, clean, crisp tank. Looks fantastic, and as you saw a moment ago, it is already pretty much pre-assembled in the back. All you have to do is slip the hose into the outlet here and then plug it in once you've filled it with water. And then of course you'll put some extra media and some other equipment down in here, but we will talk about that in the next video. For now, we are going to set this aside and get to work on the stand. Okay, so this is the stand for the 18-gallon C-Vue. And this is honestly the part I am least looking forward to. I just hate putting stuff together. My girlfriend loves IKEA, and I have had practice putting stuff together, but I don't like it. It's not my favorite thing. So we're gonna bust this open and see how user-friendly it is. Typically, when you see these in a store, you can probably get them pre-assembled. We have them both ways, where you can get it in the box fresh, or we have some pre-assembled already on the floor that you can get as well. When you buy these from us online at TheReefIndy.com, they will actually come to you like this in a box. So I'm going to show you how to put this thing together. I've not done one of these yet. It'll be my first time, so we'll see how user-friendly it is. When we're all done, it should look like this. We're gonna give it a go. Oh, this is heavy. It's foam. Okay. I want to be nice and gentle here because I don't want to hit any of the board, just in case. It's like a bloomin' onion. Look at this. It is packed to the nines. This is just some real good packaging here. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, nice black matte finish, protective layer in between each board. Here we go, we've got our hardware and instructions. Okay, now let's separate these pieces out. Okay, so I am now surrounded by all the parts and pieces for this C-Vue stand. It looks pretty easy, but let's check out the instructions. It came with this box, and it was wrapped in the instructions here, and you can tell this is going to be your screws and little hardware bits to get the thing together. Let's see here. Yeah, I think we can do this. So we've got our box of hardware here. These appear to be the feet. We've got our hinges for the door, another hinge there, and then a sack full of screws, pins, and locks. Okay, this is a lot. So what I'm gonna do, and what helps me out, is I'm gonna separate all of these out into like individual pieces. As of right now, it's just a big glob of all of them in there. I'm gonna separate these out, and we'll be right back. What is that? I guess we're gonna find out.
Okay, so one thing that I did notice that is missing from the instructions is that it doesn't tell you you're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver, but obviously we're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete this. All right, I've got it all separated out now. The hinges, the feet, the cam lock screws, the cam lock bolts. I'm still not quite sure what these guys are. Looks like it's just gonna hold some sort of shelf, I imagine. And then a couple different size screws. These are probably going to be for these bad boys right here. We gotta keep on moving forward with this.
Let's put a stand together. So here is the C-Vue 18 stand all put together. It actually wasn't that bad. It was pretty quick, pretty easy, self-explanatory really. Some of the numbers and things were wrong in the instructions, like it would tell you to put in 2 cam screws where you actually needed 3. But overall, this worked out really well, so I am pleased. You might see that I actually do need to adjust the hinges on the inside here. Because my door is very, very slightly askew here. But that is a super simple fix. It actually is probably just due to me over-tightening them, and it tells you in the instructions to not over-tighten them. But yeah, pretty pleased with the way this turned out. Let's put a tank on it. So this is the Cobalt C-Vue 18 tank and stand all put together. In the next video, we're also going to be doing equipment and hardscape, so stay tuned for that. And remember, at the end, we're giving this whole thing away once it's done being set up completely. That's gonna do it for today, everyone. If you found this useful or informative, give the video a like, and please consider subscribing using that button below, and we will see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to check out that video to enter to win this tank at the very end of the series when we're done setting it up.